I'm Enrique Herrera. I'm a principal at OSIsoft. I've been there a couple years, and before that I was at Microsoft for 7 years and Ford Motor Company for 15 years. So I was a little disappointed with Jim's cloud selection. But now I look after our OSIsoft Connected Services business and our entry into some of our non-core markets. So as our founder, we're a 35-year-old software company. And we're still privately held, and our founders had a mission consistent throughout the 35 years around enabling people with their data to transform their world. And we still live by that mantra today. So we make a core product, which is our Pi system, which is a data infrastructure for that time sensor data. But we've been enabling Fortune 1000 customers to be able to use that data to deliver the solutions within their environment, whether they're asset optimization or process improvement, safety and security, energy. So we've firmly believed this open data concept in terms of allowing our customer to own their data. I think the question was around our integration to other tools. So we now work on what we call integrators out of the Pi system to work into Tableau, into Microsoft BI, also looking towards more advanced analytic tools as well. So we encourage the use of various analytic tools. We're also partners with Emerson and Rockwell. So we're familiar with that sense of openness with the data. So the thing I was going to talk about was, in talking to our customers, we've realized whether it's experience walking out the door or need for external expertise, that the plants at our customers are relying on third parties to help them, whether it's an equipment manufacturer, whether it's an O&M vendor, whether it's a supplier, as in Jim's case, the cow, or the analytics vendor. Because sometimes some of that additional context of looking across externally or different use cases is valuable. So one of the things we look at for the smart manufacturing platform, to enable that so we can bring in the universities that can do these advanced analytics, these kid geniuses Jim alludes to, or other service providers. So we encourage that. And in working with plants, various plants, not just all of Jim's plants or Jesus's plants, but be able to take advantage of multiple plants to deliver that service to that plant. So we're firmly on board of an open platform, maybe not open source, but an open platform, at least with the data. So what we did was, we took what we were doing with the SMLC, and we commissioned a survey of some of our customers. We're very predominant in the power and utilities, oil and gas space, petrochemicals, pharma. So we asked them about these service providers. And what we found out through the survey was that, at least in the oil and gas and the power folks that we surveyed, and we surveyed the asset owner operator and the service provider, we found out that the asset owners, 46% of them thought that these external service providers were going to play an important role, at least in operations and maintenance. So that pattern of dependency on this external expertise is the thing we keep seeing. But then we asked the question for the asset owners, and how comfortable are you sharing your data? And we found out that 54% of them thought we're at least moderately comfortable with sharing some of that data with their trusted service provider. That was kind of the trend we kept on seeing, right? So that's clearly kind of lined up to our vision and our direction as a company. Not only just enabling the data for our customers, but enabling their ecosystems to use that data and bring back that insight. So in terms of vision, right, we've seen the past in terms of just sharing the data within your own enterprise, right? Then also starting to share with your ecosystems. But we kind of see the vision of driving towards of a community type of environment like the Smart Manufacturing Leadership Platform, to be able to bring in that additional expertise and for us to kind of collaborate with other technology vendors. Does that make sense? That's all I had for you. Thank you.